Hello and welcome back to Johnson Branch Farm. I have officially moved my fall starts out of the house. And just because they are gone does not mean I am finished starting plants for the fall season. When Growstar contacted me asking if they could send me a new grow light in exchange for a review, I said yes. I had been using some individual grow lights, which worked well. All of my plants thrived under them, but trying to adjust them with strings and trays to have the plants reach the right level of light was getting a bit cumbersome. Grow light comes with a pulley string system so you can adjust the height of it, which was so nice and so easy to use. Before, I needed 3 of the individual grow lights to have enough light for one tray. Right now, this one grow light is enough to cover, at the very least, 2 trays on this rack. Now that my onion starts are under their new light, I'm going to go ahead and give these guys a little haircut so that they can focus all their time and energy on developing good roots so that they can grow nice, large onion bulbs. If you are interested in seeing the specs on the light, I have put a link down in the description box below. I've also included an affiliate link, which means that I earn a small commission when you shop through that link at no additional cost to you. One thing I notice with plants under grow lights is that they tend to go through water a lot quicker than normal. So make sure that you are checking them multiple times throughout the day and making sure they have enough water. I like to use bottom water trays so that I can fill it up and they can take what they need throughout the day. I think my onions are going to like their new light. I am looking forward to a wonderful onion harvest this year. My previous setup worked well and will continue to serve me well throughout the years. However, I will definitely buy the Growstar grow light anytime I need to replace my lights in the future. Thank you so much for watching, and may the Lord bless and keep you until we meet again.